Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this video, we will be learning about how we can create a fab menu button. You guys must have used it most often while using WhatsApp. So let's start with it. For this project, I've already created a project in Android Studio with the name fab menu. So let's start with creating the layout first. I will be just removing this text view because I don't need this anymore. This layout, constraint layout to a coordinator layout, and I will be creating a menu with which will create three fab options. So let's start with the first button. Let's give the width to be wrapped. I want it to be in the bottom of my screen, so I'll just margin. So let's say I'm giving it as 30 dp and bottom margin as well, so let's say it be 50 dp. And we obviously have to give one icon to understand the functionality. So let's say I've given this, and we need id and give fab menu 1. Okay, so what we want, three similar buttons, so I'll just copy paste this code thrice. I've got the four buttons, and I'll change the icon. Let's say I'm changing it to image. I've already included these drawables in my drawable folder. Insert drive file, and the last one be, let's say, locations. Now let's code. File fab and the find view by id r.id.fab to view by id. Now what we want to do is, when we will be clicking on the attach fabs, we want all the other three fabs to pop up. So we'll set on click listener to the attach fab new on click listener, and what we have to do is we have to keep a check that whether the menu is already open or not. For this we'll keep a so what we'll do is, if this is not open, what we have to do is we have to show fab menu, and otherwise we just have to close the we will just implement these functions, starting with the what we have to, the very first thing which we have to do is we have to set it to close again. So we'll be setting it to true. And what other thing we'll be doing is we'll be changing the y axis for all the other three buttons for them to show. So image fab dot y we'll be selecting, and in my values folder in dimensions I've defined these three dimensions for three different buttons, so I'll be using these r dot diamond dot standard 70, and similarly we will be just doing the same thing for the three buttons, image fab, and the next one be file location fab, and we will be changing it to 140 and 200 Similarly, what we will be doing this thing for close menu option, and let's set it to false, and we will be changing it to 0 this time. Done. So let's just quickly run our code. Okay, so here is our attach button, and when I'm clicking on this, so our menu is popping up, and when I'm just clicking back to it, so the menu is closing. So this is how our fab button works. I hope you all liked it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.